Hi there, guys. Mauro here once again. Um, as promised, I was gonna show you the Kiwi trade, the awesome Kiwi trade that happened this week. Um, Unfortunately, I took a loss on a trade too on Kiwi, a 15 pip loss. Um, yeah, I got caught on the wrong side. Um, Anyways, um, I'm gonna show you the trade that I took, and that happened. This awesome trade that happened. In this case, I got a little vengeance. Although I do not like to talk about this much, I do not recommend trying to get back at the market soon, soon after you took a loss. But anyways, this is the trade that I think was great. I'm gonna also be showing the pound trade and the euro trade trades that happened. I did not take the pound trade, but I mentioned it on my thread. I was already short on fiber, so I thought I was pretty much doubling the risk, taking too much risk, as you know they're very correlated. But anyways, I'm gonna be showing both of these trades. Another great trading week. Yeah. So let's start with the QE. This is the New Zealand dollar pair, the QE pair. Um, I'm gonna show you the support resistance line that I figured out about this trade, and this was right over here, around the 78.39, 78.40 level, give or take. Yeah, about this level. And let me try to zoom in a little bit so you guys can perhaps see it better. There was an order block, a daily order block first, that came in at this green level right here. I know, guys, this is a big order block, but you're gonna see what comes next. When we drop down to the 4-hour time frame, that order block becomes a little bit smaller, a little bit, closer to the top of the range, thus making it more affordable, if you will, trade wise. So, and I love MT4, but anyways, um, it did make a nice trade for us. If we throw in the fib, um, if we throw in the fib, and let me make this as perfect as I can. The there are very confluent levels. Um, the resistance level coming in right at 78.40 level, and the 79 retracement level coming in at 78.41, and plus the order block. I mean, everything was pretty much in sync. We had two very bullish candles coming in strongly inside the order block, and boom, there you have your trade. An axis of, if you took it right here till today, it was an axis of about 171 pips, give or take. But yeah, still up and running. Gonna show you the targets. Expected to come in much lower. Let me make this more perfect. Zoom out. There you have it, the 127 level, the first target, right around the 76.59 ish level, 70, yeah, right around the 76, 60 level, right around that, or at least close to that level, would be a good place to take first profits. But anyways, great trade. I love these setups where there's a daily order block together with the support resistance level. Um, Everything pretty much in sync. Um, yeah, um, this line was cutting right through all these other levels, um, and yeah, it was picture perfect. I mean, um, and that's why I thought this was the trade of the week until I saw until I took the euro and I saw the pound too. But um, talking about stop loss, one could argue that this was a pretty big stop loss. I can agree with that. In the vicinity of 45 pips, somewhere like that, maybe a little less, but for at least 160 something pips. I mean, still great R&R. I personally took it with 30 pips. That's my stop loss standard. Um, Although I defend placing stop loss above the technical level, advocate that technical levels are way different than a set the number of pips. But anyways, I had so much confidence on this setup, as I have taken many of these, and I don't think I have had a bad experience with them before. So anyways, um, yeah, trading within ranges, everything was there. Um, Again, just a great trade. Um, Moving on to the fiber Euro USD. Um, let's move to the daily time frame at first. Going to be showing the support resistance level that comes in right at 1.2570 level. And let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to zoom in too. Sometimes it's hard for you guys to see. And as you guys probably can see, it was a nice bearish order block coming in right around this level. Um, right around this level. Even visible on the daily time frame, but regardless, it was a nice drop coming out of this order block. Zooming out too, this low was taken out, this order block was taken out, and whenever an order block is taken out, price usually returns to the previous support resistance. In this case, support turned into resistance. So I thought it was a good idea to sell at this resistance level, right at the bearish order block. So yeah, I even mentioned this ahead of time on my other video. I had this trade planned ahead of time, and I mentioned it as per my previous video, my weekend video, if I'm not mistaken, or the Tuesday or Monday video. I don't remember, but one of the videos I had on, it was the video I mentioned this trade. There, if you want to be a little more picky, there you go. Another 1-hour order block, be even more precise. Gonna throw in the magenta, and if we chose the upper that would mean price would come in right at sweet spot for the entry. So perfectly in sync for my sell. My sell was at 25.72. Let me check. Yeah, 25.72. If you chose this right over here and this swing high, price would come in a little bit higher than 79, but still within tradable range. If you look at 4 hour, it never closed above the 79 retracement level. It came in too. There was a confluence of the 1 hour order block and the 79 order block at 125.60, 125.59. So the idea was a few pips above the 50 level, few pips below the 1.26 round number. Yeah, but the general idea was a return to the previous resistance level after the order block, the bullish order block and low were taken out. So yeah, this was another great trade. Timing. It happened during New York Open Tuesday. Again, usually by Tuesdays, if not Wednesdays, London Open in bearish market, 70% of the time the high is formed, and this is exactly what happened. So took the whole week's range away. Again, the power of 3 in play. Yeah, absolutely nice. Very, very nice. Again, this stuff works, guys. You just have to know, do the top-down analysis. Be confident about it, and it will happen. It will happen, guys. Believe me, it will happen. Now, let's try to figure out. I had, well, actually, I already have this line drawn. The 1.23, 1.2394 was a support level where I was expecting price to go to. But anyways, we have hit the 127 extension today, so I took partial profits right there. Also, if we look back, I was looking for a support resistance level, which yeah, it comes a little bit lower. In fact, it comes here. Let me erase this one. I think this one is a weekly. Let me check. I gotta draw these in different colors. Yeah, we're inside a bullish weekly order block. The screen line is a let me zoom in. I'm making a mess out of this. Let me erase this. But we have come to we have reached a bullish order block, a weekly bullish order block, and this level right over here, right where price is sitting, it's 123.89. It's a support level inside the bullish order block. So this is some place where I expected price to take a little break. Yeah, another great trade. Similar to the Aussie, only we couldn't see the order block on daily, but still great price action. Following the main move, following bias downtrend, and I feel sorry for the bottom pickers once again. Okay, so let's move on to the pound dollar. Similar thing in the pound dollar to the euro. This is the daily time frame. After this low and this order block was taken out once again, what do we expect? A return to the nearest support resistance level. In this case, it comes in at 159.93. This red low here, this swing low right over here, this range right over here, this swing low. And after we took out this this low, actually let me show you guys something before. Price was inside this consolidation for a few days, and I thought that there was a strong possibility that price could make an attempt to break higher and then go lower, but all in all, even though I called this trade ahead of time, it happened exactly as it did and as it should. So after we broke from this consolidation down, we took out the lows, we took out the bullish order block, support resistance level. Let me move back to the daily time frame. There's a nice bearish order block present with a support resistance level coming into. So pretty much the same levels for the 4-hour order block. So the idea was to short the pound dollar inside the order block, and 159.90ish was a good call because of the resistance level alongside with the 79 retracement level. So right in the middle of the consolidation. So pretty nice R&R, I would say, in the vicinity of 30 pips for up till now, 151 pip drop, or if we take the low of the day, 161 pip. I mean, another amazing trade. Yeah, if you just wait for these, if you're patient enough to wait for these and just trade these, and if you stay away from 15-minute, 5-minute, 30-minute order block, and you just trade these, I mean, look at the benefits of being patient and just trading these kinds of setups. So all in all, great trades. This one, let me check about targets. Haven't looked at it since I didn't trade it, but it reached precisely 127 today also. So amazing. Let's do a look at timing. This is a trade that could either be taken at New York open yesterday or even London open today. Either way, be fine. So timing was there too. Apart from the Kiwi dollar, which was in a different time, but it was right after a very important news. So for the Aussie dollar and for the New Zealand dollar, I open exceptions for trades as these. But yeah, really great moves. Tomorrow there's NFP, so I've protected my positions. I think you guys, if you're in these trades, I think it would be wise too. You never know what markets can do, but I think there's a good probability that we're gonna see further weakening of the dollar counterparts, of further dollar bullishness. Yeah. Also, one thing that someone mentioned on my thread today was the order block that was present in a 15-minute time frame. Let me try to clear out all this out of the way. Let me take this out of the way. Yeah, let me get this clear. Yeah. So this was the order block. I think it was Apilaka that mentioned it, but regardless, it was a kind of a head and shoulders formation at this was a resistance level, clear resistance level. And if you were to throw in, let me throw in the big and mid figure indicator. So if you were to use the 26, actually, sorry, it was a 20. You were to use the 2550. Yeah, sorry, I got it right now. The 2550 hidden OTE. There you have your entry. Even if you were to pick the top, still is within the tradable 62 retracement level, but obviously the market was defending the 2550. That's why I sold some 20 pips below, or excuse me, above the 2550 level. So pretty impressive price action. Let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. So price just hit this bearish order block. It's very small bearish order block, and it created great R&R too. But anyways, there was a lot of ways which you could have taken this trade. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. There you have it. You just gotta use these tools in your favor and make them work for you. All right, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and just keep doing your work. Later, bye.